Okay, hello to everybody, welcome on my channel. Today I will finally try to deliver the first video blog 2 years later. Yes, as you can check on my history of my channel, I created this 2 years ago, because about 3 years ago in the January 23, yes, I started my journey with learning Unreal Engine. And that was start of my tutorial hell. Since then I burned out twice, and now from about month I'm back. I'm trying again. This is the third attempt to create my dream game. Yes, of course I know about this, all the scope, creep and all that stuff, but of course, as most of indie solo developers, there is that one, my dream game I'm passionate about, and this is only thing I'm interested to try to achieve to do. So if I'm not going to do this game, I will not do any other. Period. I know what are the numbers and chances with these kinds of projects. Yes, because of course I'm dreaming about kind of adventure RPG in open world, or you could say semi-open world. For me, the ideal example is the Outward game, where we have few of these hubs, 2 by 2 kilometers. Yes, this is not one open world big map, but few smaller maps. But this is not for today. I'm not even not sure which direction I will go. We will see from the technical point which will be more achievable to me, for me to try to accomplish. Yes. First of all, I will try to record this 10 times if I will think about my English. As you can hear, probably English is not my native language, so yes, I have kind of good understanding of English, but I have almost no experience with talking and speaking in English, so as you can hear. But if I will allow my English to stop me, I won't record even that first video blog ever. So this is one thing I must to break through, overcome my fear of speaking in English. Yes. And for now, I don't have even enough energy and time to bother with editing this video and trying to record that one sentence again and again that it sounds prettier. Yes, I think you know what I'm talking about. Now I just want to deliver that first video blog and finally load it on my channel. As for my first video blog, as you can see now, that I will show you on the video, not on the video but on the picture. I have this island here. This is island I prepared, yes, 1 year ago, before my last burnout. So I managed to prepare this model of this game on GA, I think, the program external from Unreal Engine, to create this model of the island. Yes, of course, here will be water around. And to start, to finally to do something, I started very simple, blocking out main points of interest on this island. Yes, as you will see on the moment on the video. For this demo map, I already have already finished the scenario, for a few quests, for dialogues. So now this is the moment when I have to finally do the game itself. Yes, so I have here will be some kind of village, some mines, watchtower, and few other interesting places where there will be few starting quests. Of course, half of them will be kind of tutorials for the game, showing basic mechanics. So I will show you simple playthrough through the level. Yes, this map 1 by 1 square, one by 1 kilometer, yes, so 1 kilometer squared. This is some placeholder model. Oh, probably will die. Yeah, of course I have a lot of ideas, a lot more ideas than I have, of course, knowledge about programming, about C++, but that's, I know I will have to learn on the way, test many things. And yeah, I think for now this will be enough for this first video blog. I just want to finally post something to show that after 3 years of, as I said, tutorial hell, and when going through many of Udemy courses about Unreal Engine, creating RPG, Unreal Engine and C++, yes, I poured in it hundreds, not dozens, but hundreds of hours. Amazed that I already burnt out 2 times. Now it took me 11 months to go back to Unreal Engine on my 26th clean. But I have too many notes in the materials, what to do, how to do, and now I spent about half or 1/3 of my time reading through these notes, how to do this, how to do that, and again, instead of doing something, I just read about how to do this, how to do that, and of course I don't consider it that wasted time. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out the lore, the story for my world, because the game itself, the idea of this game, of this world, is about, in my head, from about 10 years now. So I had a lot of free notes on paper, on computer, in many files. Okay, thank you very much for this first episode, and I hope I will deliver at least once a month another video blogs to show the progress. Yes, as I said, this first month wasn't very fruitful. In the, as you can see, I just have a map with some random landscape auto material. Of course, this is not the auto material I'm going to use. I'm just testing also my performance on my old good computer, because as you can see here, my rig isn't bad. Yes, Unreal Engine is working on it still. Yes, it don't crash, but it's quite an old specification. Yes, processor is about over 10 years ago, 12 years old. Yes, as my graphic card also isn't is far from perfect. Yes, those RAM, they are quite DDR3, but still the amount of RAM, yes, I'm able to work on this computer still, but I'm not going over 60 FPS. As you can maybe see, I will try to do kind of stylized game, not hyper realistic, so there will be no lumen for sure, and no some fancy. I'm not sure if I will go towards nanites, probably not. Okay, thanks for now, and see you in the next video vlog. I hope in 1 month at most, not if not earlier. Have a nice day and month.